Hello again friends, I'm Spiller6N3S5, and today we will be talking about fire, something necessary to everybody's survival. The first step is to obtain a fire bow drill, which looks like this. And get some tinder, which you can get from juniper trees, as well as a leaf which you can get from Lombardy poplars or maples. After this, you have to prepare a long straight shaft and some kindling. Next, use the fire bow drill on the straight shaft, then quickly grab the leaf and use it on the shaft to get an ember leaf, then put it onto the tinder. After a few seconds, it shall begin burning, in which you need to quickly put the kindling onto it before it goes out. You can make the fire last longer by putting firewood or butt logs onto it. The more efficient option is to put firewood, as butt logs can be pushed to better usage. Also, a quick note before the end of our time, I must show you how cooking works over a fire, as the way people use it just infuriate me. We will use a skewered rabbit for this presentation, but it also works with a skewered goose. If the fire is large, it will burn. If the fire is small, it will burn. If the fire has degraded into hot coals, it's just right for cooking. Anyway, we have come to the end of our time now, so now you have the knowledge of fire making. Have a nice day.